What is accounting profit? Accounting profit is the profit a business earns after subtracting all explicit costs from total revenue. Explicit costs are the actual expenses paid by the business. Examples of explicit costs include rent, wages, raw materials, electricity, and taxes. Accounting profit is calculated using this formula. Accounting profit equals total revenue minus total explicit costs. Accounting profit is shown in the income statement of a business. It shows how much money a business earned during an accounting period. Accounting profit does not include implicit costs. Implicit costs are opportunity costs, such as the owner's time or foregone income. Because of this, accounting profit is usually higher than economic profit. Accounting profit is mainly used for financial reporting and tax purposes. It helps businesses measure performance and profitability. Investors and managers use accounting profit to evaluate business results. In simple words, accounting profit is the profit shown in company accounts. Easy way to remember. Accounting profit means income minus actual expenses.